Hey guys, it's Danny here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it is a pleasure to join you. In this video, we're going to do a question from the November 2018 Grade 12 Physical Sciences Paper 2. This question deals with the boiling points of organic compounds and the intermolecular forces present in these compounds. The boiling points of several carboxylic acids are given in the table, and then compound B is compared with compound X, which is an alcohol. The first question asks us to give a reason why this is a fair comparison besides the usual conditions to determine boiling points. The usual conditions to determine boiling points are the intermolecular forces present in the substance. So apart from these, the molecules are similar because they have the same molecular mass. So if you calculate the molecular mass of compound B and compound X, you will find that they both have a molecular mass of 60 grams per mole. And that is why it is a fair comparison. So the next question asks us to classify compound X as a primary, secondary, or tertiary alcohol. And this depends on the number of carbon atoms bonded to the carbon that is bonded to the hydroxyl group. So if we draw out the structural formula of compound X, we will see that the hydroxyl group is bonded to one carbon, which is then bonded to two hydrogens, and that carbon is bonded to only one other carbon, which is then also bonded to two hydrogens and another carbon. So this carbon over here is only bonded to one other carbon, and that makes it a primary alcohol. The last question asks us to fully explain the difference in boiling point of these two compounds by referring to the types of intermolecular forces present in each of them. Since both carboxylic acids and alcohols contain a hydroxyl group, so the OH, both of them contain hydrogen bonds between molecules. However, the carboxylic acid contains two oxygen atoms in each molecule, so there are two sites available for hydrogen bonding. And the alcohol only has one oxygen present, so there's only one site for hydrogen bonding between the molecules. So for this reason, the carboxylic acid has stronger intermolecular bonds, which then require more energy to overcome, and it therefore has a higher boiling point than the alcohol. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.